Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Okay, all of us like shopping very much, isn't it? But due to the present situation, COVID-19 and lockdown, we all prefer online shopping, right? But we are all so sad as we are missing our pleasant and lovely school atmosphere, and we changed to online classes. Yes? Anyway, due to online classes, at least many of you have bought new mobiles, tabs or computers. Right? Usually what do you do, children? You search for the latest mobiles or latest computers, means whatever brands are available in our markets, isn't it? And you can find a variety of brands made by our leading manufacturers of the world are available in Indian markets. As consumers of today's world, we have a wide choice of goods in our markets. But you wouldn't have found such a variety of and choice of goods even before 20 or 30 years of back. Means during the period of your parents. I will show you one video. Okay, let us see that.
The world that your parents grew up in and the world that you are growing up in are very different from each other. Until the 1990s, most goods like cars, clothes, television sets and cold drinks were limited and produced in India itself. Today, however, there is a wide range of options for the products that you can buy. From clothes to cold drinks, cars to television sets, and almost everything else, the choice is immense. One of the main reasons for such rapid transformation from hardly any choice to wide-ranging availability of the latest models of products is the coming together or the integration of production, trade, investment, and markets from different parts of the globe. Behind the integration of production, trade, investment, and markets lay the rise of multinational corporations, or MNCs, from about the middle of the 20th century.
This means our markets have transformed. Yes, children, how do you think these rapid transformations occurred? What could be the factors that brought such changes? Let us see. Until the middle of 20th century, trade was the main channel connecting different countries. But with the emergence of MNCs, also known as multinational companies, production was largely organized in many countries. Now, let us understand what is an MNC. MNC is a company that owns or controls production in more than one nation. MNCs set up factories in those countries where they can get cheap labor and other resources and where they can make greater profits. Okay, this way MNCs supply goods and services globally. Now, can you think of some of the leading MNCs in our country? Let us have a look. See the picture? In this picture, you can find a few leading MNCs in India, many of which you will be very familiar with, isn't it? Can you see Colgate, then there is Sony, Vodafone, Ford, etc. Here, a large part of foreign trade is controlled by these MNCs. This is the most important point about MNCs. Okay. What has happened with the emergence of these MNCs? Have you thought about it? Yes, children, you can find that more and more goods and technology are moving between the countries. I will give you just one example. All of us were consumers of many Chinese apps like TikTok, Cam Scanner, Xender, and Share It. However, these apps are currently banned in our country, right? Speaking of more, Japanese products such as cars manufactured by Toyota and the products of Nivea, then popular mobile phones such as Huawei and OnePlus, these are made in China. BMW and Mercedes-Benz, which are German-based companies, and the products are cars, etc. are examples and which are available in Indian markets, right? From these examples, we can understand that the emergence of MNCs has led to interconnection or integration of markets and movement of technology. Okay. This process of rapid integration or rapid interconnection between countries is known as globalization. Dear children, I hope the points we discussed today are very clear to you. Now let me conclude the topics here. We saw the term MNC and how the emergence of MNCs led to globalization. Yes, children, I hope these terms are clear to you.